Oh, good morning. Yeah, I'm here right now at my condo. Um, my dad said kailangan ko kailangan ko bantayan ang sarili kong mga property para ma para ma para mapanatili ko ang seguridad at kaligtasan ng mga tao dito at syempre para hindi mawalan yung mga property na binigay sa akin ng dad ko. Look at this one. That that building. My dad. Yes. Um, I'm so sorry because shit. My mind is look at this one. Here. Yeah. That's my mansion. You know mansion? You know mansion, guys? Right there. Mansion. Pag hindi mo natsitsera ang jowa mo, doon siya may mention. Yes. If you cannot if you cannot touch your pag hindi mo nagagalaw yung jowa mo, yun na ibig sabihin ng mention. May mention siya. Yeah.